Hello everyone, I am Shayok Kumar Dhar. Now I am introducing associated angle in trigonometry for class 11. I will make you understand these values very simple manner. Okay, fine. Then first of all, I have to write it in this manner. Sine of 90 degree into 1 plus 30 degree. Fine. Then you draw the coordinate system. Okay, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. This is x and this is y. Okay, and this is my first quadrant, this is my second quadrant, this is my third quadrant, and this is my fourth quadrant. Correct. So now you will start from here. Okay, from the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, then just move according to this one, 90 degree into 1. So this is your 90 degree. So you move from here to this point, then you have moved 90 degree. So 90 degree into 1 plus 30 degree. So it will lie somewhere on there. Okay. So it is on the second quadrant. Now on second quadrant, I have already said that sine is positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec, these two are positive. So I will put plus sign. Okay. Now you check this value. This is 1, which is an odd number. Okay, which is an odd number. That's why if this one is odd, then we transform sine into cos. Okay, so it will be cos of 30 degree. If 90 degree is multiplied with some odd value, then sine will be transformed into cos, cos will be transformed into sine, tan will be transformed into cot, cot will be transformed into tan. Okay, sec will be transformed into cosec, and cosec will be transformed into sec. Just note down this one. If 90 degree is multiplied with odd value, odd integer, then sine this thing will be changed according to this manner. Okay, so it will be cos of 30 degree. So what is the value of cos of 30 degree? Cos of 30 degree means root 3 by 2. So its value is this one, 5. Okay, now moving to the next one. Okay, now moving to the next one, and please note this thing because I will erase it later on. Okay, now this value, just try to write this thing such that 90 degree into some integer such that the value which has been left out is less than 90 degree. Okay, I am writing it in this manner. Again, 90 degree into 1, correct, 90 degree into 1 plus 60 degree. Okay, done. Now check this again check it in this manner. Okay, check it in this manner. Starting from here, 90 degree into 1. So I have moved to here, plus 60 degree. So plus, you have to move from positive direction of x-axis to anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if this is plus, if this is plus, then you have to move it on anti-clockwise direction. Okay, okay, fine. So it will be lie somewhere on there on the second quadrant. Now on second quadrant, cos is negative. Here only sine and cosec is positive. That's why it will be minus. Now again 90 degree is multiplied with odd integer. That's why cos will be transformed into sine. So it will be sine of this thing. It means 60 degree. What is the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2, and minus is there. So I will put this minus as well. Okay, fine. Now I am erasing this thing. I hope you have all noted it out. Okay, okay, fine. Now move to the third one, tan of 210 degree. Again I can write it in this manner, tan of 90 degree into 2, mind it, 90 degree into 2 plus 30 degree. I can write it in this manner. Okay, and I am moving this one here. I will draw a next picture. Okay, like this. Now just draw this coordinate system. Start from here, 90 degree into 2. So it is 90 degree into 1, 90 degree into 2. Okay, plus 30 degree. So it will lie somewhere here on the third quadrant. So on the third quadrant, tan is positive. Fine. So I will write a plus sign. Okay. Now this is 2, which is an even integer. If 90 degree is multiplied with even integer, then this trigonometric system, that is tan trigonometric function, that will remain unchanged. It means tan will remain tan, cos will remain cos. If this thing 90 degrees multiplied with even integer, then it will be remain unchanged. So I will write tan of this one. It is 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. Okay. So on the same manner, this is your homework. I will do the sec one. Sec. Okay. I can again write this thing in this manner. Sec of 90 degree into 3 plus 30 degree. Is it not? Fine. Then again, just check in which quadrant this value lies. I will start from here. 19 to 1, 19 to 2, 19 to 3 plus 30 degree. So it will lie somewhere on there. It is on the fourth quadrant. And on the fourth quadrant, cos and sec, these two are positive. So this is sec, so that's why it will be positive. Okay. Now 90 degrees multiplied with 3, which is an odd integer. So if 90 degrees is multiplied with odd integer, then sec will be transformed into cosec. So it will be cosec of this one. It means 30 degree. So what is the value of cosec 30 degree? Cosec means 1 by sine, and sine 30 degree means half. So it will be 2. Fine. Okay. Now go to the next one. That is cosec 330 degree. Okay. So again write it in this manner. Cosec. How can I write it? 90 degree. I am writing it in a different manner. You can write it in like this. 90 degree into 3 plus 60 degree. You can write it like this. I also can write it like cosec 90 degree into 4. Okay. Minus 30 degree. You can do any one, and I will prove you that in both cases the result will be same. Okay. Okay. I am going to prove you. Okay. Just draw this thing. Okay. Start from here for the first way. Just start from here 19 to 3. That's why 19 to 1, 19 to 2, 19 to 3. Just move your hand on anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Plus 60 degree. Plus 60 degree. So it will lie somewhere on there. It is on the fourth quadrant. Okay. So on the fourth quadrant, cosec is negative. Only cos and sec is positive here. Okay. That's why it will be minus of. Now look at this. It is 90 is multiplied with 3. That's why cosec will be transformed. 3 is odd. That's why cosec will be transformed into sec. So it will be sec of 60 degree. Now what is the value of sec 60 degree? Sec 60 degree means 1 by cos, and cos 60 degree means half. Okay. That's why sec 60 will be 2, and there is a minus, so it will be minus 2. I can prove you that if you write this in this manner, okay, then the result will also be same. Okay, just look at this, just check. You have to know in different manner, na? That's why 19 to 4. So it will be 19 to 1, 19 to 2, 19 to 3, 19 to 4. Okay, minus 30 degree. When there is a minus, then move your hand on clockwise direction. So now from here, move your hand on clockwise direction. Minus 30. So minus 30. So it will lie somewhere on there. Okay. So it will be on the fourth quadrant. So on fourth quadrant, cosec is negative. Okay. Fine. So that's why it will be minus. Now it is 30 degree. And again look at this one. 19 to 4. That means which is an even number. So if 90 degrees multiplied with even, then this thing is unchanged. Okay. So it will be cosec of this thing. It is 30 degree. Okay. Now you tell me what is the value of cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree means 1 by sine, and sine 30 means half. So it will be reciprocal. So it will be 2, and it will be minus 2. So this thing and this thing are absolutely same. So I can find the value in both manner. Okay. Fine. I am erasing this one. Now. Okay. Sine 225 degree. Okay. This one. Okay. I am doing this one. Sine 225 degree. That is, again, write it down like this. Sine of 90 degree into 2 plus 45 degree. Okay. Again, just draw this system, coordinate system. Start from here. 19 to 2, that will be 19 to 1, 19 to 2, plus 45 degrees, so plus 45 degree. So it will be somewhere on the third quadrant. So on the third quadrant, sine is negative. Only tan and cot are positive there. So that will be minus. So now again check 90 degrees multiplied with even integer. So sign will be remain unchanged. So it will be sign. Okay. And now check this sign of this one. Okay, 45 degree. 45 degree. So sine 45 means 1 by root 2. So there is a minus. So it will be minus 1 by root 2. In the similar manner, do this one. Okay, it is homework. Fine. Okay. So I will tell a similar thing. So in this manner, you can easily find out sine, cos, or any trigonometric function of any degree or any value. Okay, fine. Any angle you can find it out. Now look at this. You should know this one. Sine of minus x equals to minus sine x. Sorry, cos of minus x equals to cos x. Tan of minus x equals to minus tan x. Cot of minus x equals to minus cot x. Sec of minus x equals to sec x, and cosec of minus x equals to minus cosec x. You should know all these things. Okay, and by this manner you can easily solve any problem from associated angle. On my next video, in this video, I have introduced you how to find the values of a large angles. Okay, so on my previous video, I will solve few problems on this. Okay, so it is the basic introductory video. So to watch more videos like this, do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.